My name is Sharon Gerrish, and my daughter-in-law is employed at Orchid. I've been always a runner, ran in junior high, high school, beyond high school. And then back in 2008, I thought I would want to run another marathon because on my bucket list was the Boston Marathon. And so I trained in 2008, qualified to run Boston in 2009, 10, 11, and 12. And 2012, a lot of pain, a lot of problems with my knees, but I already committed and it was a goal. So I finished 2012, then after that, a lot more problems with my knees and doctors and pretty significant pain where it would bring me to my knees basically. Couldn't really do what I wanted to do. It kind of took away from who I was. I was too young to be not doing anything. It took me 5 times of canceling my surgery before I committed to it. In order for me to do this surgery, I had to have a goal. So my goal from the 1-year anniversary of my surgery was to run a half marathon. After the surgery, the recovery was not the most pleasant, but knowing I had a goal in mind, it made it a lot easier. And it was incredible. It was like, why didn't I do this a long time ago? Life now has been significantly better. I feel like I can almost do whatever I want to do, feeling so much better. Before my surgery, I was not a happy person. I was miserable. So basically, it gave me my life back. The tour is incredible. I would have never guessed what goes on for a joint replacement. The employees, the manufacturing of a body part is incredible. And the employees, if they could only realize what it does to a patient, to get rid of pain, to be able to have a life that they want, to be active, it's just incredible. I would say, please keep doing what you're doing. But a huge thank you for Annie and all Orchid employees.